If you are a transgender woman who wants to align your physical appearance with your gender identity, you may be considering undergoing MTF transgender surgery. MTF transgender surgery, also known as gender affirmation surgery or gender reassignment surgery, is a series of procedures that can transform your male features into female ones. However, MTF transgender surgery is not a cheap or easy process. It can cost tens of thousands of dollars and involve multiple surgeries, risks, and complications. Therefore, it is important to do your research and plan ahead before you decide to pursue this life-changing journey. In this video, we will explain what MTF transgender surgery is, what factors affect its cost, and how you can save money on it. MTF transgender surgery is a term that encompasses various surgical procedures that can alter your face, chest, and genitals to make them more feminine. The goal of MTF transgender surgery is to help you feel more comfortable and confident in your own body and express your true self. MTF transgender surgery is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It is a personal choice that depends on your preferences, goals, and expectations. Some transgender women may opt for a full transition, while others may only want certain parts of their body changed. Some may choose to have surgery as soon as possible, while others may wait until they are older or more financially stable. There is no right or wrong way to be a transgender woman. The only thing that matters is what makes you happy and healthy. There are three main types of MTF transgender surgery: facial feminization surgery, breast augmentation, and genital reconstruction surgery. Each type of surgery has its own benefits, risks, and costs. You may choose to have one or more of these surgeries, depending on your desired outcome and budget. Facial feminization surgery, FFS, is a set of procedures that can modify your facial features to make them more feminine. Brow lift. This procedure can raise your eyebrows and smooth out your forehead, creating a more open and expressive look. Hairline advancement. This procedure can lower your hairline and reduce the size of your forehead, creating a more balanced and feminine face shape. Forehead contouring. This procedure can reshape your forehead bone and reduce any prominent ridges or bumps, creating a smoother and softer appearance. Rhinoplasty. This procedure can refine your nose and make it more proportional to your face, creating a more delicate and elegant look. Cheek augmentation. This procedure can enhance your cheekbones and add volume to your cheeks, creating a more youthful and feminine look. Lip augmentation. This procedure can plump up your lips and make them more full and defined, creating a more sensual and attractive look. Chin reduction. This procedure can reduce the size and projection of your chin, creating a more harmonious and feminine look. Jaw contouring. This procedure can narrow and taper your jawline, creating a more slender and feminine look. FFS can have a significant impact on your appearance and self-esteem, as your face is the most visible and recognizable part of your body. However, FFS is also one of the most expensive and complex types of MTF transgender surgery. FFS can cost anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000, depending on the number and extent of procedures you need. FFS can also involve a long and painful recovery process, as you may experience swelling, bruising, numbness, and scarring for several weeks or months. FFS can also carry some risks and complications, such as infection, bleeding, nerve damage, asymmetry, and dissatisfaction with the results. Breast augmentation, BA, is a procedure that can increase the size and shape of your breasts, creating a more feminine and voluptuous look. BA can be done by using either implants or fat transfer. Implants are silicone or saline-filled devices that are inserted under your chest muscles or breast tissue, creating a more round and firm appearance. Fat transfer is a technique that involves harvesting fat from other parts of your body, such as your abdomen or thighs, and injecting it into your breasts, creating a more natural and soft appearance. BA can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on the type and size of implants or fat transfer you choose. BA can also involve a relatively short and easy recovery process, as you may only experience some soreness, swelling, and bruising for a few days or weeks. BA can also carry some risks and complications, such as infection, bleeding, implant rupture, capsular contracture, asymmetry, and dissatisfaction with the results. Genital reconstruction surgery, GRS is a procedure that can transform your male genitals into female ones, creating a more authentic and functional look. Orchiectomy. This procedure can remove your testicles, reducing the production of testosterone and the need for hormone therapy. Penectomy. This procedure can remove your penis, creating a more smooth and flat appearance. Vaginoplasty. This procedure can create a vagina using either your penile skin or a segment of your colon, creating a more realistic and sexual look. Labiaplasty. This procedure can create labia minora and majora using either your scrotal skin or a graft from your groin, creating a more aesthetic and natural look. Clitoroplasty. This procedure can create a clitoris using either the glands of your penis or a graft from your groin, creating a more sensitive and orgasmic look. GRS can have a profound impact on your identity and sexuality, as your genitals are the most intimate and personal part of your body. However, GRS is also one of the most invasive and risky types of MTF transgender surgery. GRS can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000, depending on the type and extent of procedures you need. GRS can also involve a long and difficult recovery process, as you may experience pain, bleeding, infection, swelling, and scarring for several weeks or months. You may also need to dilate your vagina regularly to prevent it from closing or narrowing. GRS can also carry some risks and complications, such as nerve damage, urinary problems, fistula, stenosis, necrosis, and dissatisfaction with the results. The cost of MTF transgender surgery can vary widely depending on several factors, such as the surgeon you choose to perform your MTF transgender surgery can have a significant impact on the cost, quality, and outcome of your surgery. A surgeon who has more experience, training, and reputation in the field of MTF transgender surgery may charge more for their services, but they may also offer more expertise, skill, and safety. A surgeon who has less experience, training, and reputation in the field of MTF transgender surgery may charge less for their services, but they may also offer less quality, precision, and satisfaction. Therefore, it is important to do your homework and research the surgeon's credentials, portfolio, reviews, and testimonials before you decide to trust them with your surgery. The location and facility where you have your MTF transgender surgery can also affect the cost, convenience, and comfort of your surgery. The cost of living, taxes, and currency exchange rates can vary from country to country, state to state, and city to city, affecting the overall price of your surgery. The quality, availability, and accessibility of the medical equipment, staff, and services can also vary from facility to facility, affecting the level of care and safety you receive. Therefore, it is important to compare and contrast the pros and cons of different locations and facilities before you decide to travel or stay for your surgery. The type and extent of MTF transgender surgery you choose to have can also influence the cost, duration, and complexity of your surgery. The more procedures you need, the more expensive, time-consuming, and challenging your surgery will be. The less procedures you need, the less costly, quick, and easy your surgery will be. Therefore, it is important to consult with your surgeon and discuss your goals, expectations, and options before you decide to undergo any surgery. MTF transgender surgery can be a very expensive and daunting process, but it does not have to be. There are some ways you can save money on your MTF transgender surgery, such as: one of the best ways to save money on your MTF transgender surgery is to compare prices and reviews of different surgeons, locations, and facilities. You can use online platforms, such as RealSelf, Trans Healthcare, or TransBucket, to find and compare information, photos, and testimonials of other transgender women who have undergone MTF transgender surgery. You can also use online calculators, such as Gender Confirmation Cost Calculator, to estimate the total cost of your MTF transgender surgery, including travel, accommodation, and aftercare expenses. By comparing prices and reviews, you can find the best value and quality for your money. Another way to save money on your MTF transgender surgery is to travel to a more affordable destination. Some countries, such as Thailand, India, Mexico, or Brazil, offer lower prices for MTF transgender surgery, without compromising on the quality or safety. These countries have well-established and reputable medical tourism industries, with experienced and skilled surgeons, modern and accredited facilities, and friendly and supportive staff. By traveling to a more affordable destination, you can save thousands of dollars on your MTF transgender surgery, while also enjoying a new and exciting culture and environment. Another way to save money on your MTF transgender surgery is to apply for grants and scholarships. There are some organizations, such as the Jim Collins Foundation, the Transgender Foundation of America, or Point of Pride, that offer financial assistance to transgender people who need MTF transgender surgery. These organizations have different eligibility criteria, application processes, and funding amounts, but they all share the same mission of helping transgender people achieve their gender affirmation goals. By applying for grants and scholarships, you can reduce or eliminate the financial burden of your MTF transgender surgery. Another way to save money on your MTF transgender surgery is to join a support group or online community. There are many support groups and online communities, such as Transgender Support, Transgender Pulse, or Reddit Transgender, that offer emotional, social, and practical support to transgender people who are planning or undergoing MTF transgender surgery. These support groups and online communities can provide you with valuable tips, advice, resources, and referrals that can help you save money on your MTF transgender surgery. They can also provide you with a sense of belonging, friendship, and solidarity that can help you cope with the challenges and joys of your MTF transgender surgery. MTF transgender surgery is a life-changing and rewarding process that can help you achieve your gender affirmation goals. However, MTF transgender surgery can also be a costly and complicated process that requires careful planning and preparation. By following the tips we have shared in this video, you can save money on your MTF transgender surgery and make it more affordable and accessible. Remember, MTF transgender surgery is not a luxury, but a necessity for many transgender women. You deserve to have the body that matches your identity and the happiness that comes with it.